Bruh.
Run.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Thank you.
Thank you.
What?
Oh no.
Need backup.
Nani?
Perfect.
Hello. Hi.
But what the hell, boy?
Hey, disconnected.
Okay.
I like your cut, G.
Oh my god! Inhuman reactions! Oh!
Double kill. Triple kill.
He tried it.
Good! Great! Awesome! Outstanding! Amazing!
Let's do this. Fastest, boy. Still fastest, boy. Come get some.
At least it's not raining.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. They're not really fine. You just can't get into it.
I love Pakistan! I will sacrifice my life for Pakistan! I love Pakistan!
Not good.
Prepared to die.
You are dead.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Oh!
Somebody! Oh!
He needs some milk!
Yes, 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 yes.
Check this out.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
I tried to sneak through the door, man. Can't make it. Can't make it. The stuck. Out of my way, son. Door stuck. Door stuck.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
I don't give a fuck.
These nuts. Ha! Got him! Ha! Got him!
Now you fucked up! Now you fucked up!
Helicopter, helicopter.
Good job.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet. What is that?
Oh, you see this guy? See this guy? Number one bullshit guy. Boom. I'm about to end this man's whole career. Boom. Bam. Oh, bop. Bada bop. Boom. Pow.
Get your ass back here, boy.
What the dog doing?
Why you bullying me?
You kissed your mother with that mouth?
Mission abort.
Hey, what happened?
I got you, fam.
Call an ambulance! Call an ambulance! But not for me.
Damn, girl.
Shut up!
Enemy spotted.
Heavy machine gun. Rocket launcher. Shotgun. Grenade.
Do you even lift, bro?
Hey.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
The fuck you say to me, you little shit?
FBI, open up!
You stupid. Really, Nick?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Hello there.
Bye. Have a great time.
What are you doing, Step Bro?
Easy!
Target acquired.
Target neutralized.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Say hello to my little friend! I'm joking! Stop!
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'm dying. Help me.
Wait a minute.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Baba Booey.
Daddy, chill.
Help me!